shit attack. Assuming she's... Nice! Let's go! We did it, sub 20. 25, sub 25. I've learned a lot on that fight. So, to see my equipment, yeah, I did use Fire Resistance, Medicine Jewel, Doppler, and all of it is level 1. Head is level 1, Hope is level 1, Hope Embrace is level 1, Hope Wild is 1, Greaves is 1. I do also use the A set and not the B set. B set, you could slot, I do think the B set you could slot a, what should I call it? You could slot a more, I guess more. Is it? Oh no, it's the same. I guess they use it as just for the female ones, but yeah.